So hey guys, sorry about the noise in the background. Today I'm going to be showing you my putties and slimes and squishies. Why not? I didn't have anything else to do, so I thought maybe I should do that. Okay, I'm going to set you up somehow, which I don't know where to set you guys up. Which is a bummer. I could try and set you up here. There. Okay, there we go. So, this is...
I've got too much wood.
Okay. So that's a squishy. Okay, this is where I put my slimes without... Putties without a tin. Like, people, random... Not random people, well, my school friends give me. And I don't...
There's a mess.
I do have a call right now. It's not at school, but this is a lovely, jubbly, purple, glittery... Like,
oh, dude,
putty.
I got you a present as well. Best present ever.
And I really like it. So fresh to do. Then we're on to this blue putty that Adam Norris gave me.
I call way too much.
See that? Very fresh, very new. I like them both. Oh, this isn't really a squishy, is it? Oh, guys.
Every day, bro. I hate checkpoint. Every day, bro.
Okay, so then somebody else gave me this just to put on a pencil, and then you can think it, or you can just hold it and have to squish it. So that's basically stops, and then this is a very nice.
Working with them, Jerry.
It is the Orbeez. This is the... That did come with a case for some reason. So obviously the Orbeez ones don't need a case. But very stretchy. Very stretchy.
My nanny's really retarded. She plays with Disney toys.
So, yes.
She does not. She's nice. She's nice. She gives me 3 V-Bucks every week. I got 100,000 V-Bucks every week.
Squishy! Next is, if you go check out my setup for where I get ready, which I'm doing it now, then you would have seen this. And it is like that.
And then do you want to launch pad to the circle?
Poke it.
And be noobs and launch pad.
So nice, but you can take it out, so I'll take it out.
Can I place the meme pad down to get to you?
So, yeah, sorry about the noise in the background. Like I said, why did I say that again? So it is just this nice pink glittery putty. It is a slime putty.
Everyday bro.
Clever putty, glittery colour.
In 2 years. Definitely done before.
Pink.
Passed all the competition.
Oh my god.
Give me the impulse, give me the pump.
Here we go.
Mr. Chess, you dumbo.
I just put it back down.
You use it. Can we use it? Give me the impulses.
So, right now, I'm just squishing it back down in the pot. Here we go.
Give me the impulses.
I like I'm taking too long on this. Okay. Next is this other slime. Which I've not actually made all these slimes. I have been lying to you. Sorry, guys. I do know how to make slime. I just don't have the borax. Which I'm getting it on Amazon. But I basically made this slime, but I put the beads, and that's all I did. So that's not basically making it. But I helped the maker, help my sister make it.
Cool.
Not sister, brother.
No,
brother.
I just got scammed in Battle Royale.
And I just found my old slime tin, so I bet my old slime tin.
Done it. Dude, can I buy a heavy then?
Okay, so that's that slime. And then we have a massive turbo slime, a massive bin.
How did you run and keep
I did not make this. It is full to the brim.
No, but how?
if I show you guys.
No, but how can you run and give stuff?
So as you can see, it's full to the brim. Get out! Get out! Get out! Mr. Slime! I cannot even hold it.
Go and report scaly fish. Go and report scaly fish.
Oh my god. As you can see, it's all jiggly and poking. Yes, I like it. Oh, and it's farting slime. Farting slime. And then I have this green putty.
Okay.
You can see. Get it out.
Oh, the sniper here.
Get the hair
out.
of
We
it.
Gucci. I already got that.
Right.
The Gucci man.
I got all of this green putty out.
Yeah.
There you go. Right. I'm going to place it back down. Okay. There you go. Then I got, oh my god. I just did slow rising, fast rising, sorry guys.
Got him for you.
And then I saw my friend had this in first play at school. I was like, oh my god, I want it. So she told me the shop, what it is, and I'm not allowed to tell you guys. So I went to that when I went to town, and I got it. I was so happy.
What's it called?
Like so damaged. What else? So, yeah, that is all of my slimes and putties. So sad that the video's over. So, I hope you enjoyed. Wait a minute. That, ow. That hurt me. So, hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching, and shout out guys to Gracie because she told me where that shop was and now I can get squishies everywhere. So, hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want a chance to give me a shout out in my next video, all you need to do is subscribe and comment down when you're done and turn on my notifications. Hope you enjoyed this video and peace.